getting what I want, but it just won't apply to you. Waiting till the end to say procrastinate, you know that's what I do. Oh, I wasn't ready then, but I'm sure of you now. One last call before I fly away from here, away from us. When dials don't carries all my hopes, will you please pick up before airplane goes? I know I like to face, but you can't be a one-time show. No one could replace your hand that's missing mine to hold. I know I lie to your face, but I can't seem to let this go. I need to let you know. Last call before I drive away from here, away from us. The dial tone carries all my hopes. Will you please pick up? One last call before I fly away from here, away from us. The signal fades, my answer's no. I will never pick up after airplane mode.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Rein Morrison. Make some noise.
Wow.
Unreal.
Wow. It's so great to see you again. Wow, you're back. I'm Jeffrey. This is Clayton. We
Hi,
were
Rein.
mesmerized by you over there side stage. You're such a gifted, relaxed performer. Wow.
Tell us about that song, Rein. What was it called? And tell us a little bit about it.
You actually use this one here.
So it's a song that I wrote that was actually just released yesterday, and
Wait a second.
Whoa.
You wrote that? Oh my God.
I did, and it's such an honor for me to perform it on Telemiracle because they provide such a great stage, and this is my 7th year here, and I feel like it was just fitting for me to perform it for the first time in front of you guys today.
Oh my gosh, I've seen you perform several times on the show, and I've had a chance to introduce you and chat with you before, and you've grown into such a fantastic performer. I absolutely love that. What did you think out there, folks? What
You
did you
guys
think?
got a sneak peek of a brand new song.
Wow. And now, I understand you brought a donation?
Yes. It's in my back pocket. And we did a fundraising concert in our small town of Langbank, and I'm so grateful for all the people that came out and supported me. And we raised
One quick second. You're from Langbank.
Langbank, Saskatchewan. Yeah.
We had to make sure we established that, right? Give it up,
Shout out
Langbank.
Langbank,
you
Saskatchewan,
and just
absolutely.
what did you do for the fundraiser?
Oh, we did a fundraising concert, and there's about 100 people that came and had lots of friends performing with me, and it was just really cool.
Rein, you're a force. So you got a total for us here. Ready? Give us a bit of a drum roll here. Here we go.
$2,959.20.
Hey!
Yay!
That's
From
unreal!
Langbank, Saskatchewan.
Shout out to Rein. Shout out to Langbank. That's awesome.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
A talent and a great fundraiser. We love having you back on the telethon. Thank you so much.
And the pipe's on her. Hey, we're going to throw it to Brad and JoJo over here. We got a little presentation.
Hey, thanks a lot.